way to the newly opened Bicol International Airport para sundiin si Lysel and Kuya who are traveling from Manila. Papasok po kami sa bagong international airport dito sa Daraga Albay. Ito po yung security screening checkpoint. So, magi-stop po tayo dito. Sheila on SGP flag again. And now you're looking at the newly opened international airport here in Daraga Albay. This BIA or Bicol International Airport is said to be a world-class state-of-the-art government infrastructure since it will provide a contactless means of self-checking in passengers. So a face-to-face interaction with the airport staff will be lessened. And it has really nice facilities like this waiting area where the interior design from wall to ceiling has a touch of elegance and a feel that you are indeed in Bicol. And with the view of the Mayon volcano in the background, this airport is considered as the most scenic gateway here in the country. This international airport will replace the old Legazpi Airport. Silipin po muna natin ang Legazpi Airport. This is the old Legazpi Airport. I've been going in and out of Bicol through this airport ever since I started traveling. So medyo matagal din ang pinagsamahan namin ng airport na to. Kaya kasad din that this airport is no longer operating. Charts! I'm not sure yet, but this will be converted into the new Central Business District. Sa ngayon po, under construction pa rin tong BIA. But its operation already started last October 8 and has been doing domestic flights already. However, the international flights will start on the second week of November. And the first flight that will be landing on this airport will be coming from Singapore. This is the front side of the airport. And this is the back side or arrival area of the airport. This is the luggage claiming area. As you can see, until now, there are only few passengers who are traveling. Welcome to Bicol, Lysel and Kuya. This airport is expected to accommodate 2 million flights a year and is also expected to give hope and new opportunity to Bicolanos, not only in terms of tourism, business, but also in creating new jobs to Bicolanos. So, this is indeed a great help in boosting the economy here in Bicol. After a week's stay here in Bicol, Lysel and Kuya are traveling back to Manila. This is the waiting area in the departure area. Still, few passengers are traveling. Safe flight, Lysel and Kuya. Thank you so much po for the company again. Gala po ulit tayo on my next video. If you haven't subscribed this channel yet, please do subscribe po if you like the video. And pahit na rin po ng like and notification bell for you to get notified of my next videos. Maraming salamat din po to this channel subscribers. Kahit po konti lang kayo, I'm really thankful for the support. I'll try po to create more videos for you. And of course, thank you so much Kuya Junjun and Lysel for sharing your travel video clips. See you on your next travel here in Bicol, or see you once na nagkaroon ako ng chance na makavisit dyan sa Manila. The requirements when you are traveling from Manila to Bicol are antigen tests, which can be conducted right inside the airport, flight ticket, and accommodation booking. Going back to Manila, the requirements are flight ticket and medical certificate issued by LGU upon arrival here in Bicol.